Let you do what? Alright, so we're using sawmill cutoffs as steps. So I'm going to cut these to 36 inches wide. Alright, here's what we got so far on the A-frame. Gonna do a little walk around, show you how I've got stuff going together. If you have any questions, leave a comment, and hopefully I have an answer for it. So this is a 12 by 12 platform. The outer band, which is this, going around the perimeter, is 2 by 10. It is doubled on the ends, this side and the other side over there. The joists are 2 by 8s, running this direction. The decking is 1 by 6s, running that direction, obviously. Our posts in the ground they're different sizes, but the smallest one is like a 10 by 10 round. Some of them get to be like 12 inches around, you know, at the bottom, and then they taper up a little bit. So this is going to be the deck right here. I just have some angle braces right now because I don't have my diagonals underneath, but this is going to be where you step down onto your porch area and have 2 by 8 blocking right there. And so this is a double 2 by 10 from side to side. So we still have to do the decking on it and then run the stairs down, but I have it notched into the posts. Kind of hard to see, but over there as well, it goes in there, and a ton of fasteners on it. But and the stringers, I still have to dig down some right here and do a little gravel platform area. These are just would have been trash, but we go to the log yard and they just let us take these because they're cut-offs. Nobody wants them, so they're really thick. And I thought it'd be pretty cool to make steps out of them. What you think, Hera? But yeah, so far that's what we got. Well, a little update for today. Dodged rain, a couple hours of rain, but we got this set of steps in. There's the top part, and here's for the deck. Big, thick log leftovers. We got the decking done. I spaced it 1/4 inch apart, and it's going to shrink some more, so probably have about 3/8 when it's all said and done for the water to drain through. And then tomorrow we start on the wall and roof structure for the A-frame. These are 36 inches wide. Those are 30 inches wide. And then there's your view. Deer should be coming out and starting to feed any minute now. You can kind of see the farmhouse down there. Just peeking through the leaves. It's raining. Break time. Alright guys, check it out. There's the front porch. The sun's setting today. We've got a couple deer over there. There's 3. There's one a little bit behind those 2. You can see the old farmhouse down there. There's a couple deer in this pasture also. It's a little harder to see. They're in the tall grass. And then there's some over there. So if you like watching deer, this is the spot. Still got to do this wall. It's going to be pretty difficult, but we got this one here ready to go. I just got to get the plexiglass for the door. This is actually going to open up. It comes all the way across to here. So you'll have a covered area to sit out here and enjoy the weather. I got this part of the siding done on this front, board and batten. Did the got the roof part framed up. I got to put metal on there tomorrow. But other than that back wall, she's in the dry, plasticed off, except for that one right there. But everything else is good to go. I gotta clean up my mess. But when it starts raining, you just kind of put the tools in here where they won't get wet and ready to go. This will be the view. That mountain is a mile away from us. And it's about, I think, 200 feet higher than the elevation we're at right now. So that's